Alright, so this here is the monitor setup that I have for the Clean Waste Indio site. This is a HC-400 that has been configured so that it will run off of a vacuum pump rather than using system pressure. This way we can draw a sample from the headspace in the container, and then we can also draw the sample through a sample conditioner so that we can avoid having water getting drawn into the monitor like we've had problems in the past. So here is the monitor that's set up. I have it set for ppmv in K, so this is reading in like thousands of ppmv. This is about the lowest it's going to go with reading 0. As you can see here, I have a couple needle valves up on top. I have a destruct with a vacuum gauge here, and then coming down from the vacuum gauge I have this little piston pump that is continuously drawing a sample. Here is how much vacuum I'm drawing. So one thing that I did was I had to compensate for the pressure difference here, because it's normally supposed to run at ambient temperature, but since ambient pressure, but since I'm drawing a vacuum, I had to adjust it, otherwise it won't read correctly. So anyway, over here is a sample conditioner. There's going to be an inlet and an outlet. The inlet will come from the container. The outlet will go to the inlet of the monitor. There's a temperature controller in here, which we've already set up. There's the PhotoGuard cell that has little thermoelectric coolers in it that will heat and cool the sample, and then this drops the sample down into a P-trap that needs to have just a little bit of water in it. Can't be too much, otherwise it'll just flood everything. I know from experience. So this is kind of the overall setup, and here in a second I'll show you, how the coalescer, or how the P-trap and the PhotoGuard will work, and how it actually separates the water. And then we'll put some ozone to it, and we'll show you, kind of what it's going to read.